Hey guys, my name is Avigat and in this video I'll be creating a program to find the biggest number out of two numbers. So first, let's create a new class. I will just name it anything, and once I open it, I have to delete all this useless content because I will be taking an input in this program. I'll be writing import java.util.scanner semicolon, and class I'll give this question 12. Over here now I'll have to write public static void main followed by two brackets, then the scanner line, so scanner sc equals to new scanner, then within the brackets system.in, which is for taking input. Okay, so now I'll be creating my two variables, so both of them will be a number, and that's why I'll be creating an integer variable int num1 and num2 because we'll be inputting two numbers. First I'll write my print statement, so system.out.println, and within the brackets I will say enter a number, then over here one second, semicolon, and this is going to be the first number that's going to be taken as input. So num1 is equal to sc.next int, then I'll just copy these two lines and enter another number. This time it will be n2. So now that we have both the numbers inputted, I'll create my if statements. So if now to check if one number is bigger than the other, I'll have to say if num1 is greater than num2, then I'll create a print statement, so system.out.println, and over here I will say that number 1 is greater, and now I'll be creating an else statement, so else system.out.println number 2 is greater. Now that the whole code is created, I will enter and close these curly brackets, and here you can see my semicolons missing, so I'll just add that, compile, no syntax errors. Here question 12 void main, enter a number, let's say 5, and second number is going to be 12, so number 2 is greater, so 12. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new, and if you did, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and see you later. Bye.